Hey guys, we're gonna be making chicken lollipops. We're gonna try 2 different flavors, lemon pepper and barbecue. If you guys are new to Orozco's Kitchen, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So step number 1 is trimming these lollipops. And I made these one time before and my kids really enjoyed them. So they were asking, actually they were begging me to make these. That's how good they were. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make them in 5 easy steps. So when you're trimming this chicken drumstick, what you want to do is go about 2 inches from the bottom and make a cut all around and start trimming it off. And there's this little bone once you start pushing the meat up that you have to cut into and take off. And you want to make sure you take that off because that's the last little bone and it's going to be in the way and it won't let you push that meat up to get that lollipop effect. So the best knife to use for this is the boning knife. It's not the best knife for opening beers as you guys saw. So make sure you use a nice sharp boning knife. And I went ahead and showed you how to cut 2 of them. And now the step number 2 is going to be seasoning. So we're going to start our seasoning with some avocado oil. And you can use some olive oil, but I like avocado oil. And I use this Kinder's SPG, which is my kid's favorite seasoning. And I'm starting to really like it as well. So put a decent amount on here. And if you don't know what SPG is, it's just salt, pepper, and garlic, pretty much. And you can buy this at Costco or pretty much anywhere else. And add a little bit of the Santa Maria rub as well. Same brand, Kinder's. And it's a really good price. It's like $5 for this seasoning. So until I make my own seasoning and come out with my own, I'm going to be buying this. So go ahead and toss this up in a bowl and make sure it's evenly coated. And here's a close-up of that chicken lollipop. Step number 3 is smoking these. And we're going to smoke at 250 degrees. So I'm going to be using the left side of my smoker. And I'm going to be cooking it indirect. Because in the middle, that's where the hottest part of the smoker is. So let's go ahead and set our smoker to 250. I had already preheated this. So I just set it to 250 and close it. And we're going to go ahead and probe it and start checking our temperatures. This here is done. 3 hours later, we're about 177. And these things are fully cooked internally. But the next step is to re-moisturize these. All right. So step number 4 would be re-moisturize these and just take them all off except for one because we're going to be doing 2 flavors. Remember, lemon pepper and barbecue. So go ahead and add some avocado oil here. And I'm going to go ahead and get some lemon pepper and sprinkle some of that on there just to give it a little tanginess. All right, so toss and turn that together in your bowl and they're ready to go. Now let's place them back onto the smoker one by one. Now we can put it in the center because we want to crisp that up. Now that we oiled it, want to get that even crunchier bark. All right, so let's get our barbecue ready. And we just put a little squirt on there and toss and turn this guy and put it back on the smoker as well. And the barbecue, that's going to be the one I try. My daughter's going to be the lemon pepper. She doesn't really like barbecue. I know. So I had some chicken thighs, and it came with a packet of chicken legs. So I went ahead and smoked these as well. And while I'm at it, I might as well put some barbecue sauce because I like these and my son likes these as well. So go ahead and hit up with the generous amount of barbecue sauce. And these are already cooked internally as well. What we're trying to do is get some good texture back into this chicken because when you're smoking, sometimes you lose the texture when it's covered and you want to get that crispiness back into it. So re-moisturizing helps. So let's put it back into our smoker and we're still keeping the temperature at 250 and we're going to go ahead and toss and turn these guys. And once they're back onto the smoker, I went ahead and lifted this to about 350 just to get that temperature higher so it can go ahead and crisp up. So here's a close-up of all the meat. I had some corn cooking the whole time. You know those corns were good. But now, step 5, the best part. Okay, guys. So we're going to try the chicken lollipops. Emily's going to be trying... That's a barbecue. Oh. Emily's going to be trying the lemon pepper. Here. And I'm going to be trying the barbecue. Cheers. Lollipop. What do you think?
It's really good. I want chicken lollipops.
Do a close-up on that. So I haven't tried the lemon pepper. Can I try that one?
Yeah, it's not too salty. It has the perfect seasoning and it's really good.
Oh, it has a good crunch.
Yeah, it does.
Are these better than regular drumsticks?
Yeah.
Here you go. All right, guys. If you guys like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. See you guys on the next video. This is my daughter, Emily. See you guys.
See ya.
That's really good.